Welcome back to FullSpec Motors. Today we take a deep look at the bold and powerful new Tata Safari Dark Edition. This SUV combines road presence, premium comfort and a blacked-out attitude that makes a lasting impression. From the outside, the Safari Dark Edition immediately grabs attention with its all-black Oberon exterior finish. The chrome is gone and everything from the grille to the alloys is covered in dark glossy or matte accents. The 18-inch charcoal black alloys add a sporty stance while the black roof rails and tinted headlamps give it a mysterious edge. The front fascia is strong and commanding with projector headlamps, LED DRLs and a bold Tata badge that shines against the dark grille. The side profile is clean with sculpted lines and wide wheel arches giving it a solid SUV character. At the rear you get smoked tail lamps, a black shark fin antenna and a sleek spoiler that completes the look. There is no chrome anywhere, just attitude and confidence. Step inside and the black theme continues with a premium feel. You are welcomed by Bennett calico leatherette seats in black with blue tri-arrow stitching which adds a unique contrast. The dashboard is finished in a soft touch dark theme with gloss black inserts that reflect light beautifully. The steering wheel is leather wrapped with controls for audio, cruise and voice. Behind it sits a 7-inch digital instrument cluster that displays trip info, navigation, media and more. In the center is a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The UI is smooth and responsive and pairs well with the 9-speaker JBL audio system which includes a subwoofer for deep bass. Comfort features include powered driver seat, panoramic sunroof, automatic climate control, ventilated seats in the front and rear, AC vents. Ambient lighting in the footwell and around the cabin enhances the premium vibe. You also get a wireless phone charger, auto-dimming IRVM and multiple USB Type-C ports for modern connectivity. The second row offers captain seats in the 6-seater variant with center armrest and plenty of legroom. You can recline and slide the seats for perfect comfort. The third row is usable with decent headroom and AC vents. Boot space is good with foldable third row seats giving you flexibility for long journeys. Under the hood, the new Safari Dark Edition is powered by a 2.0-liter Cryotech turbo diesel engine. It produces 170 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque paired with a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The power delivery is smooth and refined with excellent low-end torque for city and highway driving. The suspension is tuned for comfort with McPherson struts up front and torsion beam at the rear. Ride quality is excellent even on bad roads thanks to Tata's Omega Arc platform borrowed from Land Rover. The Safari feels stable at high speeds and easy to drive in traffic despite its size. Safety is top-notch with 6 airbags, ESP hill hold, ABS, EBD traction control, electronic parking brake with auto hold and all-disc brakes. It has received a strong safety reputation in Tata's lineup and now also supports advanced driver assistance systems in higher variants including lane departure warning, blind spot detection and forward collision alert. The Tata Safari Dark Edition is priced between 20 to 25 lakh rupees ex-showroom depending on the variant. It competes with the MG Hector Plus, Hyundai Alcazar and Mahindra XUV 700 but stands out with its unique design and solid build quality. If you want a full-size SUV with great road presence and rich features, the Dark Edition of the Safari is a powerful choice. Thanks for watching FullSpec Motors. If you enjoyed this review, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more premium car content. Tell us in the comments what you think of the Dark Edition and which SUV you want to see next. See you in the next ride.